FSTA, the premier information database for the sciences of food and health, for efficient, effective searching and results you can trust. When you look for information on a topic, you probably have some keywords in mind, but are they the same keywords other researchers in the field are using? How will you know you aren't missing out on great articles due to the way language changes with geography, time, and even within different scientific communities? FSTA helps solve this problem through its thesaurus, which is the most comprehensive food and beverage thesaurus in the world. Every single FSTA record is assigned with descriptor terms from a controlled vocabulary to identify what the article is about. By using the same terms, you can search confidently across disciplines, geographies, and publication dates, and find the most relevant matches. Let's see an example. Say you were looking for information on lactose intolerance and cultured milk like yogurt. Typing in cultured milk and yogurt brings back some results. But are we missing anything? Let's try searching a different way. Go to the thesaurus located here at the top of the page. Enter your keyword and click Browse to see what phrase you might use instead. Here we see the official subject term for cultured milk is actually fermented milk. Click here to see broader and narrower keywords associated with this topic. We'll add this to the search by checking the box and then click Search. And we have new results. Going back to the thesaurus, let's see if our keyword yogurt was the right phrase. We see yogurt here, but the spelling is different. Click on yogurt, and then we can add a narrower term if we wish, like yogurt beverages. Let's search for articles with the broad topic yogurt or the narrower topic yogurt beverages. On the results page, there are different ways to narrow your search to a particular research focus. You can use filters or the advanced search, for which we have video tutorials if you want to learn more. Or you can add a new keyword or phrase to build your search by either returning to the thesaurus or simply adding it to the search box. Let's try a new search term, lactose intolerance. Now we have articles on lactose intolerance. To combine results from your searches, click on Search History just under the search box and choose which searches you want to combine. We want to find articles on yogurt and lactose intolerance, so we click on those and join the results with "and." Our new search results appear here beneath the search history. Now we can feel more confident that we are finding all the most relevant matches for our topic and saving time by not sorting through articles that aren't focused on our research interest. Using this special tool makes for more efficient searching.